I finally got it. I finally figured out waveformers. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this look using waveformers. So this is my second time trying waveformers. I'll link the video up above for my first trial. Didn't go so well, but I'm really impressed this time. Let me show you what I used. So I used the Miche Beauty Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm just about out of this leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is so bomb, so moisturizing, has a lot of slip. It's just the perfect base for any style. So I'm loving the Lavish leave-in conditioner. And then this is my first time trying the Set Curl Defining Mousse with Hold. It's made with aloe vera and ginger. It's a non-flaking, flexible hold mousse for coils, curls, and waves. And this is bomb. Literally every time I use a product from Miche, I'm saying like, this is bomb. Because it is. Like, their products are amazing. If you have not tried them out yet, I'll leave my discount code up above and in the description box. Make sure you use those. Make sure you use that code to save some coins on these amazing, amazing products. So this is my first time using the mousse. This is how much I used of it for this waveformer set. And I am absolutely loving these results. I'm gonna turn around so that you guys can see the back. I'm definitely impressed. So I'm going to be protective styling real soon. So this was a nice way to have a cute style and also stretch my hair out for protective styling. So it's like a 2-for-1. So let's get into exactly how I achieved this look. Stay tuned. here are my final results. This is my second time trying wave formers, and I think I finally got it. So I used Miche Beauty Lavish Leave-In Conditioner and the Set Curl Defining Mousse with Hold. These two together with my wave formers gave me a nice little stretch, and I'm actually loving the results. First time I did this, wasn't that impressed with the results, but I'm definitely loving this. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.